Welcome back again, YouTube. Nick the Kid here with another fishing video here at Lake Dale. Today I'm using my ultralight rod 4-pound test with the Roostertail, 1/8 ounce Roostertail there. I have a short fishing session today because I want to get home, have dinner, and want to have a bonfire tonight. Yes, got first fish on with a Roostertail. Yes, nice little white perch here. White perch with the Roostertail, 1/8 ounce. That thing looks like it got a little bit of a sore right there. Probably got pecked by a bird or something. See you, little guy. Fish on. Fish on, baby. Another fish on. Probably a little white perch. Yep. That was a little white perch on the Roostertail. Hey. Not too shabby though. Fishing's fishing, right? Even if it's for the little guys. Thank you, little white perch. Oh yeah, fish on, baby. Fish on. Oh yeah, big bass. Here we go. Oh, it's not a bass. It's one of them bowfin things. Nice. Come here, little guy. Yep, it's a dog bowfin dogfish. Yeah. Look at this thing, guys. Wow. Yeah, baby. Let me get my fish grippers for this. There we go. Deal with that later. Look at this, guys. Nice bowfin, dogfish, whatever you want to call it. Thing is pretty gnarly. This may have been the one that I had caught one time. Well, no, maybe not. I don't know. It's still got two eyes. One that I had caught a while back didn't have anything, so there you go, little guy. Well, everybody, looks like this is gonna be last cast and calling it quits. So we ended up catching, I believe, 3 white perch, and we got that lucky bowfin. Some people call them bowfin, dogfish. Anyway, that was a cool fight. It was about probably, say, a good 1.5 feet long, maybe. Oh, we got an actual fish here, guys, to close out the video.